guys, so we got the grill out here, the other pieces, and now I'm gonna go through and hit them with some clear. We use the color match paint, and it's not super glossy, so we're gonna hit it with some gloss clear. That should make it look a little better. But these do come painted black, so there's gloss black paint on there already. Of course, we wanted it white to match the truck, but do that next. All right, guys, the first thing we gotta do to the grill, get this one off, I'll pull these out. So we're gonna have to pop those up, take this out, take the whole cover off, and then we can get down to where it's actually bolted on down there. All right, once that's off, now we'll pull these out of here, pull that bolt out there. I'm gonna see, does look like they just kind of twist out of there. Yep, that's how it works. Snaps out of there. Cool. Pull that one out. All right, so that bolt there was a 10mm, and there's two more of these little twist things down in under here. So you gotta get in there with a screwdriver, twist those out. There you go. The other one. All right, I got the grill just barely hanging on. You can see that these are just clipped into there, kind of how those go in. The other side just should just essentially pull right out. But I did pop out that headlight just to make sure. So you may have to pop out the headlight just to get to it. So I don't want to break it, so let me try two hands. All right, guys, so to attach the sides, you've got screw holes here. So you've got to run screws through these into those little spots on the back there, attach those to it. And in the process of me painting it and walking away for a little while, a bug flew in it and then fought for his life to get out. And you have to sand that back down and respray the right and respray the clear. Lucky me. All right, guys, so these things right here, that little cam lock thing, these come with the grill. So you have to pull those out so that this will actually fit in there on the back of the grill and lock in that way. But you can't reuse these, so you gotta snap these things out, squeeze them together, pop them through. They're not that much fun. So get them out of there. Yep. So it looks like you have to reuse these end clips there. And the other ones I just stuck back in there so it stays together. But you gotta pop these off. All right, the grill is pretty much on, and it looks pretty good. So I was able to get 3 of these to snap in, those 3, that one down there. This one I could not get to snap in for anything, so I just popped it off. There's also a snap inside there that went back on from the other grill. This one is not snapped in yet because this one was the last piece we had to touch up. So it's just kind of hanging out for a minute, and then we'll snap it in place and then put the cover back down. That's it. All right, that's it. Got it all snapped in, and then looks good around the lights. And cover's back on. All this snapped in, so we are done with this thing. Perfect. Nice. All right, guys, don't forget you can get $25 off of ceramic coating, the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King, by putting Hirevz 25 in at checkout at avalonking.com.